For businesses in West Jordan, maintaining a functional, secure, and aesthetically pleasing commercial space is essential for attracting customers, enhancing productivity, and building a positive reputation. One often overlooked but highly impactful improvement is quality commercial door replacement. Upgrading your doors can do much more than just enhance the appearance of your building. It can improve security, increase energy efficiency, and boost your business's value. Here's how investing in quality commercial door replacement can positively impact your business value. Improved security and safety. Security is a top priority for any business. Outdated or damaged doors can make your property vulnerable to break-ins, theft, and other security threats. Quality commercial doors are built with advanced security features, such as reinforced frames, high-grade locks, and impact-resistant materials. These upgrades help protect your assets, employees, and customers, providing peace of mind and a safer business environment. Enhanced security measures can also reduce the risk of costly theft or property damage, contributing to a more stable and secure work environment. When customers and employees feel safe, it fosters trust and confidence in your business, boosting its overall value and reputation. Increased energy efficiency. Commercial doors play a crucial role in maintaining a comfortable indoor climate and controlling energy usage. Older or poorly insulated doors can allow drafts, heat loss, and air leaks, leading to increased energy consumption and higher utility bills. Energy-efficient commercial doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, providing better insulation and reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. By upgrading to energy-efficient doors, you can lower your monthly energy costs and reduce your environmental impact. Businesses that prioritize sustainability and energy efficiency are often more attractive to environmentally conscious customers and potential buyers, enhancing your property's value and marketability. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your business's exterior appearance plays a significant role in attracting customers and clients. Quality commercial door replacement can dramatically improve the curb appeal of your property, creating a welcoming and professional appearance. Modern doors come in a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to select a design that aligns with your brand and architectural style. An attractive entryway not only sets a positive tone for customers but also communicates that your business is well maintained and committed to excellence. This curb appeal boost can make your property stand out, increasing foot traffic and enhancing your business's overall value. Better accessibility and functionality. Commercial doors should be easy to operate and provide seamless access for employees, customers, and visitors. If your current doors are difficult to open, misaligned, or have worn out hardware, it can create a negative experience for everyone entering your building. Quality door replacement ensures smooth operation and may include features such as automated doors, wide openings for accessibility, and durable hardware. Enhancing accessibility is not only good for customer satisfaction but may also be required by local regulations, such as the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA. Ensuring compliance and improving functionality demonstrates your commitment to inclusivity and can boost your business's value. Reduced maintenance costs. Old or damaged commercial doors often require frequent maintenance and repairs, leading to unnecessary expenses and downtime. Quality replacement doors are built to withstand daily wear and tear, harsh weather conditions, and heavy usage. Materials such as steel, aluminum, or fiberglass are known for their durability and longevity, reducing the need for costly repairs and replacements. By minimizing maintenance needs, you can allocate more resources to other aspects of your business while enjoying doors that perform reliably for years to come. Increased property value. For business owners who own their commercial property, upgrading to quality doors can have a direct impact on property value. Modern, secure, and energy-efficient doors enhance the overall market appeal of your property, making it more attractive to potential buyers or tenants. Quality improvements signal to buyers that the property has been well maintained, which can justify a higher asking price. Even if you're leasing the property, improved doors can make your business space more appealing to customers, helping you achieve higher revenue and greater success. Better noise control. In busy commercial areas, noise pollution can be a major concern. Quality commercial doors often include soundproofing features, such as thicker materials and tight seals, to reduce noise levels within the building. This creates a quieter, more focused work environment that enhances employee productivity and improves customer experiences. Minimizing noise can be especially important for businesses such as offices, healthcare facilities, and retail stores, where a calm and pleasant environment contributes to business success and value. Make the right investment for your business. Investing in quality commercial door replacement for your West Jordan business can have a far-reaching impact on its value, security, and overall appeal. From boosting energy efficiency and improving security to enhancing curb appeal and reducing maintenance costs, new doors offer a range of benefits that support your bottom line. By choosing durable, stylish, and efficient doors, you can transform your business space into a more attractive, functional, and valuable asset. It's a smart investment that delivers both immediate and long-term returns for your business's success.